Attention! The following video may contain fun, humor, profanity, personal opinions, political incorrectness, and so on. If you are under the age of 18 or are easily offended by something as simple as gendered words, then I suggest you turn this video off and watch something more suited to you. Something like Sesame Street. Don't say I didn't warn you.
How dare you!
G'day guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the running video of the Team Associated DR10. We're here at my little test location where I do a bit of testing with my no prep cars. So this will be the running of the car in its stock form. I will be having some parts coming for it. So there has to be a few little changes done to the car. So we're just going to give it a run, see how it goes, and we're going to go from there. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm just going to give this a bit of a straight line run just to make sure it's all tracking. Seems to be going all right. All right. Now, put that on start. We will do a burnout. Alright guys, first hit, let's see how we go. Yeah, I kind of figured that had happened. Let's give the tyres another heat up. Alright, the surface is real dirty, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, I can't get any. Actually, I'll do it off the line to see if that makes a difference. Alright, let's see how we go. Okay, stop. Read, yeah, 51k an hour. That's not a lot, but I mean, this surface here, I'm going to have to try and find another place to run it. I'll do a slow takeoff. Yeah, it just wants to. Yeah, I'm having really bad traction issues here at the moment. Like I've got my Ford Pinto here. That's going to be in another video. I'm having really bad traction issues with it, and being a shorter wheelbase makes it real sketchy. So, but I mean, the car itself is going really nice and true. But the, I mean, the shocks though, they're not helping. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to go to another location. It might be a couple of days in between, but we'll find another location that might be a bit better, a bit cleaner surface. Alright guys, we are at a new location. Not sure if this is going to be better, but it is definitely a lot wider. It's a bit off camber. However, there aren't a lot of places I can choose from to test. Car parks can be a little crowded, and yeah, some people don't like you having fun. So I'm going to so what I'm going to do is just give her a bit of a warm up. I don't expect this to go very well, but I've been testing the slipper clutch, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, as expected. I'm not having a lot of luck at the moment. Yeah. I'll be honest guys, these shocks aren't the best. So we'll see how we go. Admittedly, like I said, being off camber isn't helping. I'll just go a little bit easier on the throttle, then open it up. Yeah. There's not a lot of places I know of at the moment that are very smooth and clean. There is another spot that I can try. I might try in this video. All right. Yeah. Oh no, not the car. Far out. All right. All right. We are at the next location. This might go worse. Not sure. I'm just having major traction issues and location issues. So I am going to how fast this thing's going to go, so I'll just have it set for 60k an hour.
So we'll do a warm up. Alright. Let's see how we go. Yeah, still traction issues. Still wants to pull to one side. Yeah. I'm not going to worry about the GPS unit at the moment, guys. I may have to make a few adjustments, so I'll give it a hit. Yeah, it just wants to turn right. Like I said, the shocks on this car aren't exactly the best. Alright, give it another hit. Well, that's a little bit better. The temperature is fairly cold. After this hit, I might do a few little changes and we'll see how we go. Yeah. Alright, I'll do a few little changes. I might change the gearing. I might up the gearing on it, just so it's not so snappy off the line. I might do a slipper clutch adjustment and we'll see how we go. Alright, I've changed the gearing, gone from an 18 tooth to a 22 tooth. It's mainly just to see if I can get it to slow down off the line. I've also adjusted the slipper clutch. So, see how we go. Alright, let's see how we go. Well, that is a lot better. And I might have to make a move. Some undesirables are hanging around. But we'll see how we go. One more pass. Alright, this will be the last pass. It's getting a bit late, so we'll see how we go this one. Oh. I think this servo is a little bit too quick for it. So I'll just do one line up. That's better. Okay guys, well, I know I look like a bit of a goose doing this no prep stuff. Like I said, this is completely new to me, and while I've had many years of experience racing touring cars and off-road buggies and trucks and so forth, this is something new. While I have raced two-wheel drive mod buggy and short course truck, this no prep stuff is definitely a bit of a steep learning curve. As you saw, that last pass that I did was definitely the best one. So I'm definitely going to be doing a bit of tuning, maybe some spring tuning and so forth. I've got a few things coming for the car itself. I've got, for a bit of bling, I've got another motor plate coming. Hopefully it acts with a bit of cooling as well. I've got some different CVAs coming. They're titanium. I also have some Team Associated B6.1 shock caps. Hopefully that will help with shock tuning and so forth. I'm probably going to end up doing a full threaded shock body conversion on it and go from there. But because I've even seen on a few videos and seen on some forums, a lot of people don't like the shocks that come with this DR10 kit. So anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you've liked it, don't hesitate to give it a like, and let me know if you've got some tuning tips for the DR10. I am open to constructive criticism and information. So until then, guys, enjoy your hobby and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers, guys.